Right now, it's hard to get any sort of substantial price gain to stick on anything. Okay, that's just where the market is at right now. That's just a victim of being what the current macro factors are. Okay, we know obviously inflation's high, we know interest rates are high, we know there's war, we know there's recession, all these sorts of things are keeping prices low. So this is the time where companies, entities, chains can look for different ways to grow. Okay. Fundamental growth is what should be happening right now. And Cardano, I would argue, is doing it better than anybody else. Now, one of the biggest indicators of this is how much Cardano smart contracts have increased over the course of the year. So since the beginning of the year, or at least year to date, well, that'd be beginning of the year, they've actually increased by 300%, which is an absolutely insane number if you think about it. This goes to show you that Cardano is determined to help build their foundation, help with fundamental growth during these times. So not only have smart contracts grown, the amount of projects and things like that have grown during these times. NFTs have grown on Cardano during these times. GitHub development has growth during these times. All these areas that are touched by Cardano are continuing to grow and blossom in these times where the price really isn't doing much. And that's what other chains should be looking to do. There are some other chains that are attempting to do this, but are not quite as successful in doing so. And it goes to show you that the Cardano way of doing things seems to be working out just fine. Now, obviously, Cardano launched in 2017, and there wasn't much functionality until 2021. That's when smart contracts first got adopted into Cardano. And obviously, we've seen the growth that has happened since then, and the growth isn't done. And it's important to highlight these things because we know some of the top chains out there have some issues, right? And I don't want to get too much into it. I don't want to bash other chains or anything like that. But there are chains that have some glaring issues that were recognized during this last market cycle. And right now, Cardano seems to be the best set up to address these. It's scalable, it's cheap, it's easier for developers to create projects and smart contracts for the chain itself. There's an easy path to adoption for Cardano, and it all starts with fundamental growth, which is what Cardano is built on. That's all I really got for you guys in this video. Just wanted to obviously highlight the cool things going on. I think Cardano's got a shot to be an absolute powerhouse over this next market cycle. As always, this is never financial advice. Definitely do your own research. Just want to obviously keep you guys updated and informed, because then again, that way you can keep luck on your side just like me. Hope you guys have a great day. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Tons of great content on here. If you guys are looking for news, informative videos about how to do really anything in crypto, this is the place to do it. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, and I really hope to see you in the next one.